All right, so there's just a couple things that I noticed that we need to fix. The first one here is the spears thrown variable is showing in the beginning of the game. So let's go ahead and fix that now. We'll go to the stage and we'll say hide variable spears thrown. And after the game screen is shown, we will show spears thrown. Okay. Another thing that I noticed is here on the shark, when we reach the end of the glide, we simply hide the shark, right? And that's going to be a little bit problematic. That's going to be a problem because in Scratch, you're limited to the number of clones that you are allowed to create. And if they're hidden, the clone is still there. And so I think the number is like 30 or 60 clones that you're able to make. So if you're playing a long game, then you eventually will not have any more sharks or fish or bluefish or pinkfish because we're just hiding them. We're not deleting them, right? So let's go ahead and take away those hides. We'll go to control and we will delete and we will delete. Okay. And then we'll go to the yellow fish and we'll do the same thing. And so we're going to do the same thing here with all of our fish who are cloning as we play the game. And we'll do the pink fish. We have a hide here and a hide here. Instead, we will delete and delete. And I think that's it. Okay, and also the shark is appearing too often, okay, for this to be a fun game. And so, and also his size I think might be a little bit too big. So maybe we can do 70 to 90, and on the wait to create the clone, we will increase that into maybe 9 to 15 seconds. Okay, so maybe it might be funner because that will give you a greater opportunity to increase the number of fish that you have caught. Okay. And yeah, those are some of the loose ends that we want to tidy up the game with. And the last element that we're going to add is a timer. And the timer is going to end the game. Okay, so the scuba diver is going to play this game until, let's say, 3 minutes have passed. Okay, and so how can we do that? Well, we're over here in sensing, and the game has a timer that we just don't see. Okay, so we hit the green flag, and you could see this timer is going on and on and on, and it's set to 0 when the green flag is pressed. And we're going to use that in the next task to cause there to be an end to the game.